We're going to put everything in the hot plate. It is like tasting a sizzling adobo, balot adobo. Only that these are smaller and it tastes really good. Mayroon lang mga kagilaan! Kami ang Wandering Kusina. Ako si Chakoy.
Ako si Mark.
Mga ka-Wonders, Happy New Year once again. Kasama ko na si Chef Mark ngayon.
Welcome to 2023.
Welcome to 2023. Now, mga ka-Wonders, there will be a slight directional change dito sa Wandering Kusina. We're going to be explaining it in English in some of the parts kasi we have to cater to other non-Filipino speaking viewers that we have here in Wandering Kusina. Without further ado, if you're new to Wandering Kusina's YouTube channel, please don't forget to subscribe to Wandering Kusina and click that notification bell so that you can be updated of all our new videos.
Yeah, so now ito yung process ng ating Sizzling Pugolot.
This is the process of our recipe today, which we call Sizzling Pugolot. It's like the Filipino balot, but instead of duck eggs, we're using quail eggs. So let's get on with the process.
So mga Wonders, yung una natin gagawin, so ilalagay lang natin dito yung ating quail egg. Dapat pala ilalagay muna yung itlog habang malamig pa yung tubig, hanggang hindi pa kumukulo. And then pag kumulo na 10 to 15 minutes, and then tatanggalin pala yung takip. Hindi na siya tatakpan pag kumulo na siya.
Okay.
So right now, pakuluin muna natin. Pag kumulo siya, tatanggalin natin yung takip and then i-rest natin ng 2 minutes.
We got these quail eggs from the suppliers in Al-Ain, and then these are 11-day-old eggs of quails. And we are just going to boil this up. So we have placed this in a regular water, room temperature water, and then we are going to boil it. Once it boils, we're going to let it boil for 3 minutes, right?
3 minutes.
3 minutes, and once it boils, we have to keep it open without the lid. And then we're going to take it out and let it rest. So let's come back once it starts boiling.
Yes, thank you very much kay Ma'am Carla at kay Chef Melvin. Siya yung nagbigay sa atin nito.
How do you call it in English? Anyway, it's also
Quail balot.
Quail balot, yes.
Yeah.
Check out the link below of what balot is so that you'll know that this is famous in the Philippines. So it's already boiling. We're going to allow it to boil for 3 minutes and then we're going to turn it off and let it rest.
So yeah mga Wonders, 3 minutes na. So patayin na natin yung kalan.
So we're going to let it rest here in this pot.
And then babalatan natin to pag malamig na. And then lulutuin na natin yung ating Sizzling Pugolot.
So we have rested this for a while. We're just going to take this out and put it on a bowl. The mistake that we've done here is we have placed it on already hot water. So it is recommended that you always put it on a room temp water and then you allow it to boil. It has to go through that process. So this is our boiled pugolot, that one. So we will allow this to cool down before we start peeling it off. And this is going to be something interesting. And I think meron na tayong nakita before na gumawa ng sizzling na balot.
Yes, kasi sa Pilipinas ngayon, napakadami nang nag-aalaga ng pugo.
That's correct.
Kasi mahal to at magandang business.
Yes, there are already a lot of breeders of quails in the Philippines, and quails actually lay eggs. More than 10 eggs, they just lay eggs, a lot of eggs. That's all we can say.
All eggs.
Yes. So let's cool this down and then we're going to peel it off. Babalatan natin afterwards. So I think this is good to go. We're going to peel it off. We're going to remove the shell right now. So this is how a balot looks like. If you haven't seen a balot, but the balot in the Philippines, it's a duck's egg, and this is how it will look, but only bigger. You would see already the embryo, the fetus of the duck. I'm so sorry for those who are animal lovers and those who are vegan. So this is considered one of the exotic foods in the Philippines. So mga wonders, the next step that we're going to do, we're going to heat up the oil, and then we're going to saute these herbs and spices we have here, the onions, and then some chili, some garlic paste, and then some spring onions.
So naglagay lang tayo ng konting mantika dito sa ating pan mga wonders. So now, lalagay natin tong ating ginger garlic paste.
Right.
Ayan, konti lang. Ayan, and then kalahati nitong ating onion.
It's very much easy to make this ginger garlic paste. It's just basically ginger and garlic chopped and or food processed together with a little bit of salt and a little bit of oil. But if you have an instant ginger garlic paste, you can use that. You can buy it those ones in a bottle.
So painitin muna yung ano natin, yung cast iron or sizzling plate.
So the cast iron needs to be really, really hot.
Lagyan natin ng konting half of this
Chili.
chili.
Yes.
Then lagyan natin ng
A bit of soy sauce.
2 tablespoons of soy sauce.
That's 4. And a bit of vinegar.
So lalagyan din natin ng half lemon juice. So now ilagay na natin yung ating pugolot. Itong quail egg natin na balot.
And while Chef Mark is busy on that side, I'm going to put some butter on this side.
Then lalagyan natin ng pepper. Half a teaspoon of pepper.
And then some butter on this side. We're just going to let that run through.
Ready na?
I think it's ready. So let's turn that off. And then we're going to put everything in the hot plate. Yan.
So ilagay lang natin yung natirang ano natin, onion, on top. And yung ating
Spring onions.
onions. And chili.
There. So mga ka-wonders, this is our sizzling pugolot. Tikman na natin. So let's see how the taste is. We have to mix it. We need to make sure that the taste is well wrapped around each egg. So, it is like tasting a sizzling adobo, balot adobo. Only that, these are smaller and it tastes really good. Yeah. So if you want to follow this recipe and if you are in Alain or if you are in Abu Dhabi or in UAE, you can actually get this supply. We'll put the number below of who you can contact for the for you to be supplied with these eggs. And you can make it also as a business if you want to. Etong sizzling na to guys, napakasarap.
Ang sarap.
Ay, buhay pa siya.
Sarap, no?
I don't usually eat balot, but with this taste and then how it is cooked right now, it's really worthwhile. Nasa siyang sizzling adobong itlog. So mga ka-wonders, if you like this recipe, please don't forget to click the like button so that many people would know that this is something great that you can share. Of course, don't forget to share this recipe to your family and friends para alam din nila kung ano lulutuin nila. And this could be a business idea for you. And please don't forget to comment down below and let us know what do you think about this recipe.
And if you are new to Wandering Kusina, please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga bagong videos namin.
We do have social media pages. We have Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. And by the way, we will be transferring all our articles from WordPress to Facebook article. We will be transferring all those so that you can easily click the articles and read them through. Yeah. And these articles are about the recipes that we have shown here in Wandering Kusina YouTube channel. So, that's it. Thank you very much for watching mga ka-wonders, and I hope you love this episode, and we hope that everyone will have a great 2023 ahead of them and stay healthy all the time. Yeah. So mga ka-wonders, thank you very much for watching. Kami ang Wandering Kusina. Ako si Chakoy.
Ako si Mark.
Stay cool, stay safe, stay blessed, and peace.